Hi, and welcome to this quick demonstration of the AI Investment Readiness Diagnostic, a structured tool designed to help organisations assess the strength of multiple AI use cases and systematically prioritise initiatives based on their commercial business case strength, technical readiness, and data readiness. With AI investment decisions becoming increasingly complex, this tool provides a clear, objective framework to evaluate opportunities, trade off competing initiatives, and focus resources on the most promising AI applications. Now let's take a look at how the AI Investment Readiness Diagnostic works. The first thing to note is that only the blue pale cells require input. These are the sections where you'll enter information relevant to your AI initiative. Everything else is locked to protect the scoring formulas and ensure consistency in analysis. So starting with a step-by-step walkthrough on the initiative summary sheet, you'll enter the key stakeholders supporting the initiative, as you can see on screen, and a high-level description of the AI application. This section does not impact scoring. It simply sets the context for the assessment. With these critical inputs completed, we can then move to the data readiness assessment. The data readiness assessment is completed by the data and analytics lead and reviewed by the head of data and analytics. The section assesses whether the organisation has access to the right data, whether that data is of high quality, and whether there are mechanisms in place to improve model performance over time. Again, to reiterate, we're only inputting data in the pale blue cells. With these inputs complete, we can then move to the technical readiness section. This section is completed by an IT business partner or business analyst and reviewed by the head of IT infrastructure. Within this assessment, we need to rate the organisation's compute infrastructure, software, deployment capabilities, technical skills, and prior AI experience. Again, only entering inputs in the pale blue cells. With this section complete, we can move to the commercial readiness section. This section is to be completed by the business owner with support from a finance business partner. Importantly, the first three questions in this section, questions 11, 12, and 13, are automatically calculated based on the inputs entered in the financial assessment sheet. These include the magnitude of commercial benefit score, the investment payback score, and the insulation from high upfront investment score. For the remaining questions, questions 14 to 16, you will enter scores manually in the pale blue cells. These cover the strength of the business case validation, data risk management, and algorithm and business risk management. The commercial readiness section is a key component of the overall AI readiness score. Higher scores indicate stronger financial viability, helping organisations prioritise initiatives that provide the best business case for investment. Moving to the financial assessment sheet, this section is completed by the business owner with review by the finance business partner. You'll need to complete three key input areas. Firstly, the financial payback summary, focusing on all pale blue cells. The investment outlay inputs. This really helps understand the upfront CapEx and OpEx investment requirements of the proposed application. And finally, the enterprise financial baseline. Once these inputs are entered, The diagnostic automatically calculates the commercial readiness scores in the previous section. The inputs within this sheet are also used for outputs within the final initiative summary assessment sheet. So with all these critical inputs complete across data readiness, technical readiness, commercial readiness, and the overall financial assessment, let's now have a look at our initiative summary sheet and understand the results. Once all sections are complete, the tool generates an AI readiness score summary, which combines commercial strength, technical strength, and data readiness into a single score out of 200. We can also see the score processed in a 2x2 matrix to get a better understanding of what is driving the overall score out of 200. When we're looking at this bubble chart and trying to understand the key quadrants, the green zone denotes initiatives that are highly ready for investment and scaling. These are showing that we have great capabilities to execute from a data and technical perspective and a really strong business case. The blue zone shows initiatives that have strong potential but may need some refinements. In this example, we can see our initiative by the green bubble is in the priority potential zone. The yellow zones denote either strong initiatives commercially but lacking technical readiness, or vice versa. We can see the business-driven tech lagging zone and the tech-led business lagging zone. Finally, the red zone denotes high-risk initiatives that need significant improvements before investment. Additionally, the assessment gives some summary key actions required as a result of the diagnosed assessment zone. So we can see for this initiative, it has received an assessment zone of priority potential zone, which we know from our bubble chart earlier. With this in mind, we're given 3 key actions as a result of that assessment to take away and focus on. These recommendations are dynamic and automatically adjust depending on the assessment that's been given for the initiative in question. The AI Investment Readiness Diagnostic is designed to take the guesswork out of AI investment decisions, ensuring organisations can make informed choices backed by structured assessment and one language and unified approach for aligning on AI priorities across the enterprise. Thanks for watching.